Hello, right? Hello, class 9th. Hope you all are good. Now, children, in chemistry, you have total 7 chapters, right? Your last chapter, atmospheric pollution, is not in your syllabus. So, out of these 7 chapters, we have done 5 chapters, right? First is the language of chemistry, chemical changes and reactions, water, atomic structure and chemical bonding, and hydrogen. Now only 2 chapters are left, that is the periodic table and study of gas laws, which we will do after half yearly. Your last chapter, atmospheric pollution, is not in your syllabus. Let's start the revision of language of chemistry. And in the language of chemistry, we have I think no need to revise that chemical formulas. Okay, I am revising the relative molecular mass, this numerical part of this chapter. Okay, how to find out the relative molecular mass of a compound? To calculate the relative molecular mass of a compound, what we will do, just we will add the atomic weight of each and every element present in that compound. For example, calculate the relative molecular mass of a zinc carbonate. To find out the relative molecular mass of zinc carbonate, what you will do, you add the atomic weight of zinc, carbon and oxygen. Now, and the atomic weights of each element of that compound are always given with the question. Now just look at here, atomic weight of zinc is given 65. Then carbon is given 12, atomic weight of oxygen is given 16. But main is just you have to take care that zinc is how many? One element, right? One atom. So what you will write? Zinc, one atom of zinc, it combined with one atom of carbon. But oxygen, how many are there? 3. So what you will do? Just you will write 3 atoms of oxygen, means 3 multiply atomic weight of oxygen. So to find out the molecular weight of zinc carbonate, what you will do, atomic weight of zinc plus atomic weight of what? That is your carbon, and 3 into atomic weight of oxygen. So just put the values of these atomic weights. Zinc atomic weight is 65, carbon atomic weight is 12, and oxygen atomic weight is 3 into 16. So then 65 plus 12, what's your answer? 77 plus 16 3 48. And when you will add 77 plus 48, you get the answer 125. So 125 is the molecular weight of zinc carbonate, right? So now the same way, one more example we can just take here. First, look at here, to calculate the relative molecular weight of calcium phosphate. Now, what is the formula of calcium phosphate? Ca3PO4 whole twice. First, you try to understand how many atoms of calcium are there? 3. 3 atoms of calcium. Phosphorus, how many? 2 atoms. Just look at here, this outside the bracket, how many is written? 2. So 2 atoms of phosphorus. And oxygen, how many atoms? 4 2s are 8. 8 atoms of oxygen, right? To find out the molecular weight of calcium phosphate, what you will write? 3 into atomic weight of calcium, because calcium has 3 atoms, right? So plus 2 into atomic weight of phosphorus, and oxygen, how many? 4 2s are 8. The 4 into 2 into atomic weight of oxygen. Now then you put the values. Now atomic weight of calcium is 40. So 3 into 40, right? Plus 2 into 31. 31 is your what? Atomic weight of phosphorus. And just see, 4 2s are 8. So 8 into atomic weight of oxygen is 16. So what's your answer? For what? 40 into 3 is 120, plus 31 into 2 is 62, and 8 into 16 is your 128. 16 8 are 128. Now when you will add these 120 plus 62 plus 128, your answer is 300 10. So what is the molecular weight of calcium phosphate? That is your 310. Right? Okay, now next is your percentage composition. How to find out the percentage composition of each element in a compound. Right? For example, just calculate the percentage composition of sulfuric acid. For same to find out the percentage composition, you have to first find out the molecular weight of that compound. Right? Atomic weight of each element is given already. Here atomic weight of hydrogen is given 1. Right? Because sulfuric acid is made up of two atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. So hydrogen atomic weight is 1, sulfur atomic weight is 32 and oxygen atomic weight is 16. So you find out the first molecular weight of sulfuric acid. Now relative molecular weight of sulfuric acid, how you will find out? 2 into atomic weight of hydrogen plus 1 into, because there is only 1 atom, 1 into atomic weight of sulfur and 4 into atomic weight of oxygen. So hydrogen atomic weight is 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 32, atomic weight of sulfur is 32 and plus 4 into atomic weight of oxygen is 16. So what's your answer? 2 ones are 2 plus 32 1 ja 32 and 16 4 ja 64. So what is the what is the weight of hydrogen here? In sulfuric acid, what is the weight of hydrogen? 2. What is the weight of sulfur in sulfuric acid? 32. And what is the weight of oxygen in sulfuric acid? 64. Just remember this thing. Okay. Now total is your, what is total? 2 plus 32 plus 64 is your 98. So molecular weight of sulfuric acid is how much? 98. Okay, now next step is your to find out the percentage composition. Percentage composition meaning, how you to find out the percentage composition means the percentage of each and every element in this compound. Percentage means out of 100. So weight of first, what is the formula? Weight of element. Percentage composition is equal to weight of the element in one molecule of the compound divided by gram molecular weight of the compound multiply 100. Right? Now first you will find out the percentage of hydrogen. Percentage of hydrogen, to find out the percentage of hydrogen, what you will do? First you will write weight of hydrogen in one molecule of the compound divided by gram molecular weight of the compound multiply 100. Right? So weight of hydrogen is how much? Just look at here, is 2. So 2 upon 98. 98 is the molecular weight of sulfuric acid. Means 2 part of hydrogen is present in how much? In 98 gram of sulfuric acid. And it is multiplied with 100. And what your answer? 200. 2 into 100 is your 200 upon 98. When you just divide both the numbers with 2, you will get 100 upon 49 is equal to 2.04. So what is the percentage composition of hydrogen? That is your 2.04. Okay, now next is your percentage of sulfur. Percentage of sulfur, but to find out the percentage of sulfur in sulfuric acid, what you will do? What is the weight of sulfur? Is 32, right? Divided by 98, means 98 gram sulfuric acid contain how much of sulfur? 32. And percentage mein what you will do? Multiply with 100. So 32 upon 98 into 100 and 16. So when you divide it by 2, then when you divide both the numbers with 2, the 16 upon 49 into 100, and when you multiply this one, 1600 upon 49 is equal to 32.65%. So what is the percentage of sulfur in sulfuric acid? That is your 32.65. Next is your percentage of oxygen. To find out the percentage of oxygen, how much oxygen is here? What is the weight of oxygen? 64 in 98 gram of sulfuric acid. Means that 98 gram of sulfuric acid contain 64 gram of oxygen. So 64 upon 98 multiply with 100. And when you divide both the numbers with 2, you will get what? 32 upon 49 into 100, and you get the answer 3200 upon 49, and your answer is 65.31%. So percentage of oxygen is 65.31%. And children, if you add these three numbers, 65.31 plus 32.65 and what? 2.04%. When you will add these 3%, you will get what? 100. In this way you can check your answer also, right? So I'll give you some numericals and solve and try to solve these numericals and do practice of these numericals. Thank you, children.